Okay, well, so we don't have any service on the boat. Coming back from Catalina Island. Little trip with the family. We had a good time. Do we have a good time? Amelia, did you have a good time? Daddy, you had a good time?
Of course I had a good time, honey.
So clearly our masks on, obviously. They made like 5 announcements about masks. Make sure you leave them on. Don't take them off. If you eat or drink, you cannot leave them off. It's only if you are taking in between bites or sips. So, what are you doing, Harley? Harley's obsessed with her toes. That's her new thing. We went for 2 days, and now we're on our way back. Hopefully you can hear me through the mask. My last video I did through a mask is kind of muffled, so we shall see. 2020 problems, right? Can I say? And Amelia, tell us what you want to be for Halloween. We were having a family conversation about what we were going to be. So first Amelia said she wanted to do lions, then it was crows, and now she came up with something else. And I won't say it in case that's what we end up being, but I'll be gentle. Amelia loves to tickle her sister. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Tickle. Tickle, tickle. Gentle, gentle on the face, gentle on the face. Gentle, gentle, gentle. See, she's getting sad. Do it only here. Here, gentle. Talk to her. Oh, Arlie, your bow keeps falling off. Talk to her. You gonna fix the bow? Arlie, where are you trying to go? Squirmy, squirmy. We call her Squirm the Worm because she squirms all over the place. Right? Do you squirm all over the place? Do you think she looks like me? I don't see it. I keep hearing this all over social media that she looks like me. Look at her next to me, babe. What do you think? Hard to kind of tell with the mask, but what do you think?
I don't know. She needs more time.
You need more time to change? I mean, you definitely are a blend. I mean, with Amelia, as you guys all know, it was like clear as day, and then it never changed, and still hasn't. I gave up on that. But maybe this one. Maybe. Never know. Amelia, show us our tickets. Amelia's making sure we got everything ready to go. Gentle, gentle. Yay! Oh, so sweet. So sweet. Look, Daddy. Daddy, look. She wants to show you how sweet.
Oh, give her a hug.
Oh. Oh, gentle, gentle, gentle. Gentle. Oh. Gentle. Oh, good girl. Gentle, she's holding you. Gentle. Oh, don't pull, gentle. Okay, gentle. Maya loves to hug Arlie Joe. Gentle. Okay, gentle, gentle. Good girl. Oh. Gentle, gentle, gentle on the face, gentle. Can you meow at her? Oh, what happened? Oh, she let go. She let go. It's okay. She grabbed her hair. It's okay. You're right. She didn't mean to, honey. She grabbed it. It's okay. Bubble will give it a kiss. Mwah.
We had to slow down because of the fog.
Oh, I just slow down. She didn't. Bubble did that, honey. She Arlie grabbed his hair by accident, and that caused the whole situation. Now we have this. That was kind of half our trip. I mean, it would like be super happy, and then she'd have a full-blown meltdown, and Justin and I would just look at each other like, ah! She's actually a really good toddler. Like from people I've spoken to that said there's way more rambunctious toddlers, but she definitely seems to be hitting this space in the last couple months where she's more fussy. She's a little bit more demanding, a little bit more just emotional. Oh, what happened to the bow? And we're back in business. Gentle.
No, that I don't. No, put it. No, hit.
She just yelled at Arlie Joe for pulling her hair. Arlie didn't do it on purpose. Arlie's a baby. Poor Arlie, you get pulled on constantly.
Do it.
Daddy pulls on you. Oh, oh, gentle, gentle, gentle. Everybody gentle. Gentle. Everybody gentle. 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 Say daddy gentle. Gentle.
Look, I'll pick on yours.
She's a protective big sister. She's a good sister. Thank you, Daddy. She's a really good big sister. She watches out for Arlie. Oh, thank you. And what do you think, Arlie? What do you have to say? Do you have anything to say? What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say? You want to put her bow back on? That's Mama's Wawa. Thank you. You want to put her bow back on? It has to go this way. Yeah, that's back. Yep.
Alright, 9:10 on Saturday.
Okie dokie. Talking golf just as a tournament. Okay. There you go. And then around like this. And up, right? That's not on her face. Like this. There we go. There we go. What do you think, Carly? What do you think? Oh, does she look so cute with a bow? Oh, gentle, gentle. She doesn't know, baby. She doesn't know. Just move your, when she does that, just move your face. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Okay. Oh no, why are you taking it off? Why did you take it off? Leaving a bow on this child is like a joke. Between her and Arlie knocking it off every 2 seconds. Put the bow back on, put the bow back on. Maya, do what you were doing before. Do the meowing to Arlie Joe. Arlie, what are you doing? Gentle, honey. Gentle, gentle. No, no, no. Alright, Arlie. I think she's chill. You gotta go this way, baby. Talk to her. Say hello. Oh, gentle, gentle, gentle. Gentle, gentle. No, no, why'd you take it off? I just put it on her. Oh, okay. Found her. Stuffed animal. You kicking? Trying to see your feet? What? How long do we have till we get there? Are we there yet?
It's supposed to be another half hour, but because we're going slow in the fog, it might take a little more time.
I don't know if you guys can see the fog, but it's quite foggy. Ellie, how come you're kicking me? You're a little wriggle worm. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. What are you doing? Don't lose the bow. So on our trip in, which I didn't video, as I should have gotten on video. So May was playing, and then she squirted her pack all over her seat, the window, her area, herself, on me. It was just a mess. And then she whacked her head into the seat and had a meltdown. And what else happened? Why are you putting the bow on your leg? What else happened? What did you do when we were coming into town? No, you're gonna break the bow. Take it off, please. You don't want to stretch it. You're gonna break it. It's brand new. It's for Harley. You gotta be gentle. Gentle, please. Gentle. You can do it on your on bubble, but just be gentle. What are the faces about, Harley? Harley has blue eyes. What do you have? You have brown eyes. They're so pretty. What do I have? Green. Good job. And what does Daddy have? Brown. Yep. Daddy has dark brown. I feel like you have lighter brown, maybe. Can't tell. Yours look lighter than yours.
That's right, Amelia. What else is brown?
Harley has blue. Blue, so far. Green. Technically I have green brown, but we'll just leave it as green to make it easy for you. They're hazel. Can you say hazel? Hazel, that's pretty good. Oh, what happened? Trying to say my name? Rubbing your eyes, getting tired. What color are his eyes? Oh, I have more bruises on me. Like, where do they all come from? Oh. It's from you kicking me? Kick, 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 kick. Or maybe when I whacked into the side of the bed in the hotel? Oh. Oh, what? So the first night we were there, Amelia didn't want to go to sleep. She literally threw a screaming tantrum. Oh, what? Here, Daddy, take her for a minute. What's wrong? No, take her.
Oh.
She's fussing.
Don't move your arm.
Okay, move my arm.
I can take her.
Yeah, well, because she's fussing. Tell us what else is going on. Tell us a story.
You would take her home.
Sure. Tell us a story.
I'll put in the pocket.
Oh, pocket. Man's obsessed with my wraps. Aww. Okay. Like obsessed. Every time I wear a wrap. Pocket, 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 pocket. Yeah. Mama pocket. Bob gets the bow. We're gonna make this a whole Arlie situation. So tell me, Maya, what else is going on? Tell us a story. Tell us a story. Story of you. Story of Amelia, right? Is that your name, Amelia?
Yeah.
So tell us a story. Arlie Jo, what?
Bow.
Yes, bow. That's Arlie Jo's bow. Looks so pretty. Do you have any final words? Do you have anything else to tell us? Look at how pretty is Arlie Jo's water. Yeah. Want to tell us anything else? Oh, what happened? Tell us about your Band-Aid. Yeah, what happened? Did you have to get a Band-Aid? Why? What happened?
They put on.
Daddy put it on? But what happened?
They take it off
Mm-hmm.
and on.
Mm-hmm.
And they on.
You sure Daddy put it on? 'Cause Daddy put it on, it wouldn't have come off.
I didn't put it on. You blaming me?
No.
Oh. Well, who else would have put it on?
Amelia?
Oh. Did you put it on, Amelia? She likes to do everything herself now these days. Isn't that a typical toddler? What are you doing? Anytime now she gets a little scratch, little pinch, little anything, it's like a Band-Aid. Even if she doesn't need a Band-Aid. Which is funny to me because Amelia got stung by a bee a few weeks ago. And she literally like handled it like a champ. But with any scratch or little thing, she needs a Band-Aid. Definitely takes after me in that sense. I used to be like that as a kid. Yeah. We're gonna sign off. What else do you have to say? Anything else? Are we gonna bake later? Man, what are you doing to your foot? Are you gonna bake
So
with me
front
later?
lifted a little bit.
Yeah, seems like it. Seems like it. And what about you, Arlie? Do you have a story
Up in
for
your
us?
toe.
Amelia has it and she put it on bubble. Here you go.
I don't want it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna put it back on her for me. Please?
No.
I never get to use these cute bows because between my toddler and my husband, nobody keeps it on. I'm the only one.
Nobody likes them.
I love them. They're the cutest fashion accessory. Who else loves bows? This one's so soft and so cute. This one was locally made too. Look. Handmade in Palo Ray, California. Bella Baby. So cute. Harley, don't you love bows? Don't you love bows? Alright. We'll see you guys on the next one.